Churachandpur District Police arrested the Commander-in-Chief of Chin Kuki Liberation Army, United People's Liberation Force, CKLA Uplf, and recovered one foreign-made M4 assault rifle, Colts Cal 5.56 mm SER 2404 from him. The arrested CKLA Uplf leader is identified as 50-year-old Saikhongam Baite alias Ngamcha, son of Thangled Baite of Suknu Tribal, Chandel, and presently living at P. Phaicham, Churachandpur. Police also recovered one M4 assault rifle, Colts Cal 5.56 mm SER 2402 foreign-made, along with one magazine, 20 live rounds of 5.56 mm, and one Nokia black and white keypad phone was recovered from his possession. He was involved in kidnapping and extortion. Police registered a case under Section 140, Section 142, Section 3, Subsection 5 BNS, Section 25, Subsection 1, Clause C Arms Act in this connection.